Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're here with me, Sinead, aka Siin Ciity, and in today's video I'm going to be introducing you my very own niche lifestyle brand, SNW Loves. So, what is SNW Loves, I hear you ask? SNW Loves is a female smoking and accessory lifestyle brand with a twist, as majority of our products, including our glassware and grinders, are hand designed using Swarovski crystals. With that being said, it'd be fun to create different makeup looks inspired by a few of my favourite SNW Love products. I hope you like. Let's hop right in. So today's colour inspiration is taken from the new SNW Loves Blue Icy Agua grinder. This grinder is part of our exclusive range and of course is inspired by none other than the original ICY Girl herself, Saweetie. It has a diameter of 2.5, which is one of our largest grinders within the whole of the SNW Loves collection range. The design varies a little bit different from any of the other grinders that we have, as not only has it got Swarovski crystals going around the side, top and the base, but it has Swarovski crystals going around the middle section as well. And then we featured a very super cute icy font and little snowflakes. 4 different compartments, one with the mesh covering at the base, and also comes with a little mini key scraper as well. This grinder I loved. I enjoyed making it so much. A lot of my products that I make for SNW Loves are very much inspired by music, pop culture, things that I'm seeing, Instagram trends. So I couldn't not make a grinder not being inspired by Icy Queen herself. So now we know what colour we're going to be getting into. I've already prepped my eyes with concealer and put on my eyebrows, applying our initial main colour.
Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
So if you've seen the yellow glow inspired SNW Loves makeup look, you'll see that I'm actually doing the exact same method in applying my complexion products. So I'm going in with my concealer, that's my skin shade, and then I'll be going in with my highlighter and basically working in a backward motion. This video I actually managed to do it all correct, so you will see that I actually put on my foundation on top of all of the concealers. Where in the last one, if you've watched it, you noticed that I obviously made a little bit of a boo-boo.
Before I was found, I didn't want to breathe out.
So a lot of these clips are going to be fast forwarded because, like I said previously, I'm using the exact same method that I used in the previous video. I will make sure that I list everything below because I know that I probably haven't shown everything that I've used. But as you can see now, I'm just gone in with my foundation, going over all of the concealers and under my jawline.
Talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds.
So this is the finished look, guys. I really enjoyed doing this look. I feel like I'm saying this every video, but I really did enjoy doing this look. It's very similar but a little bit more minimalistic and just a blue theme going on, but to my Diamond Bomb makeup look inspired by India Love, which will be here if you want to go check that out. But I really like how this look came out. I just love like the inner corner glow that was from Fenty, the Kilowatt highlighter. It just looks so nice with the like wave of blue on my eyelids, and then we've obviously added a few rhinestones on our cheeks and just into our crease on our eyes. But I really like how it came out. I feel like I look hella icy with my eyes like this. Very much managed to actually have the exact same Swarovski crystal match up to the rhinestone, which was really good. Like I didn't actually even plan that to happen, but I hope that you enjoyed watching it. So if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button and turn it into a bell, because that will ensure every time that I upload you never miss a beat. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Bye.